Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I am back again with another useful video where I will show you how you can now schedule a reel on Instagram. So if you are a content creator, you must be creating a lot of Instagram reels and you might want to schedule them beforehand so that you don't miss up posting any of your reels that you want to post every single day. So to save your time, you can do that while editing your reel or while making a draft. You can also schedule it so that it will get automatically posted whenever you want it. So let's start with the video and see how you can schedule a reel on Instagram. Alright, so whenever you are done creating a reel, this is the page when you are about to save it to draft or you can share it, right? But now what you need to do is if you are done editing your reel, if you're done adding the caption and you're done adding the tags, now what you need to do next is you need to scroll to the bottom and here you will find the option that is advanced settings. So this option was already there, but what has changed is if you will open it now, you will see this option. The first option is schedule this reel, so you have to turn it on and then you will be allowed to choose the time, the date and whatever time you want to select for this particular reel. Alright, so now you can save your time, you can edit as many reels you want, and instead of saving them to draft, you can schedule every single reel and just stay relaxed. So this is one of the useful feature that Instagram has recently provided. And that was it for today's topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.